I'm going to make a cucumber jalapeno margarita. I took the seeds and the webbing. What's it called?
The webbing?
The thingies. What's that white thing called in the jalapeno there?
Whatever.
It's gone.
You seeded the jalapeno.
I took all the stuff out that makes it like super hot. So.
Or the webbing.
The webbing. I took out the webbing.
Whatever. You could make it with just cucumber if you just wanted a cool, refreshing drink. If you want to add a little spice, take out the inside of the chili.
Or you can leave out the cucumber altogether and the tequila and just have a glass of water if that makes you happy. Anyway, so I chopped up this.
He hates it when I backseat drive in his segment.
I chopped up the optional jalapeno along with a seedless cucumber that I peeled the skin off, sliced it, and then I muddled it at the bottom of my cocktail shaker. Now I'm going to add equal parts tequila, Saint Germain, and lime juice. Now, the tequila we're using here, you can just use regular old silver tequila. I happen to have lying around this cucumber jalapeno tequila, so I'm going to try that because, I don't know, I feel like it. What's cool about this particular shaker I have, it has the measuring things on the side. So I don't even need to use my measuring thingy.
That's a little light for me, by the way.
Well, there's still more stuff to be
Just kidding. I'm just kidding.
And now we're gonna add the Saint Germain.
He hates it when I'll do this. I'll come back when it's done.
No, you can stick around.
It's okay. I'm gonna heat up the beans.
The heating of the beans starts. And fresh squeezed lime juice. Now, ice. Oh, it already smells really good. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Strain into your ice-filled glasses. We're using copper mugs because, I don't know, because we have them and they kind of look cool. And then I'm just gonna put a little sliced cucumber on the side there.
We have them because they were on sale. I bought them online.
You go on.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Cheers.
Happy Cinco de Mayo, everybody.
Happy Cinco de Mayo. Cheers.